Hi, my name is Katie Schwam, and today we're going to talk about mimicry in parrots, specifically the African gray. Everyone has heard about parrots' remarkable ability to mimic the human voice, but do they actually know what they're saying? Scientists have asked this question for decades, and several have dedicated their careers to finding out what their deal is. A world-famous series of studies by Irene Pepperberg investigates parrots' ability to mimic human speech. One of these studies attempts to evaluate the cognitive ability of the African gray parrot. She focuses on her most well-known subject, Alex. According to her tests, Alex possesses the ability to identify objects along with their colors and their shapes. Pepperberg states that the learning process of her subjects reflects that of a young human. They supposedly make associations between objects and their labels. The parrots are often motivated by positive reinforcement, which speeds their learning process along. What about parrots in the wild? Do they exhibit mimicry as well? A team of researchers traveled to Zaire in 1991 to determine whether African greys exhibit mimicry in the wild. Evidently, the parrots they recorded mimic the vocalizations of 9 species of birds and 1 species of bat. Why do you think they do that? Silly birds. So, according to research done by numerous scientists, parrots appear to understand what's going on around them enough to reply in a way that makes sense. However, there are no absolutes in scientific research. We only make inferences based on what we observe. So the only true way to know for sure is to go inside a bird brain. Anyway, thanks for watching.